Jordan Center for Pharmaceutical Research, JCPR, was established early 2000 and was accredited by Jordan FDA. Some studies conducted at the center had been accepted in Europe by health authorities. In Jordan Center for Pharmaceutical Research, we do have a good understanding of clinical development, data management, and regulatory strategy. We give our customers a competitive advantage in the marketplace. We have a more efficient path through the quality system procedures.
I'm Mohammed Khalil, the Executive Director of ACDEMA Center for Bioequivalence and Pharmaceutical Studies. ACDEMA Biocenter was established more than 10 years ago by 16 Arab countries to provide service and help in the development of pharmaceutical industries in the Arab world. We perform bioequivalence studies, bioavailability studies, as well as clinical studies. We at ACDEMA Biocenter are proud to have state-of-the-art instruments as well as qualified persons. And we performed bioequivalence studies and pharmaceutical studies to hundreds of companies all around the world. I would like to welcome you again in ACDEMA Biocenter, where we perform high-quality studies with very competitive prices. Welcome again and hope to see you all in ACDEMA Biocenter. Thank you.
PRU is the first established contract research organization in Amman back in 1993. Situated in the heart of capital Amman, allowing easy access of the participants to its dedicated clinical site. PRU has the most sensitive LC-MS system, API 5000. PRU has conducted the first study with full enrollment of females in the MENA region back in 2008. PRU has developed its quality management system that assures compliance of the clinical studies with the international standards of good laboratory and good clinical practice. PRU is accredited from regulatory authorities in Middle East, Gulf region, Turkey, and Europe.
gives me great pleasure to introduce Triumph Pharma, a full-service provider and a specialized product development and clinical evaluation center. We have successful US FDA and European inspection over the last 2 years, and we have enjoyed tremendous growth in our business over the last 3 years, over 200%. We have state-of-the-art facilities in compliance with GLP, GCP, and our data and studies have been approved by multinational regulatory authorities.
IPRC is a privately owned clinical research organization based in Amman, Jordan since 1997. IPRC has successfully passed a number of US FDA and EMEA inspections and recently has been inspected by the Turkish authorities and MCC of South Africa. IPRC is accredited by the Jordan Food and Drug Administration as well as the Gulf Cooperation Council. IPRC has conducted more than 700 bioequivalent studies for the MENA region, Europe and the US, and developed and validated more than 185 bioanalytical methods so far. In accordance with the ICH GCP regulations, IPRC provides quality research services, Phase 1, bioavailability and bioequivalent studies, bioanalysis, data management, PK/PD, statistics and medical writings, clinical trials management, Phases 2 to 4 throughout the MENA region. With more than 100 professionals and 60 beds clinical unit under the same roof, IPRC consistently provide the most effective and reliable clinical solutions to the pharmaceutical industry in a timely manner.
PharmaQuest Joe is headquartered in Amman, Jordan, and it was established to be a totally independent clinical research organization providing full clinical services to national, regional, and international pharmaceutical companies. PharmaQuest Joe understanding and commitment to the science and ethics of clinical research contribute to the delivery of high-quality studies. Thus, PharmaQuest Joe was able to be the first CRO to conduct therapeutic clinical trials in Jordan. PharmaQuest Joe has a state-of-the-art clinical and bioanalytical facilities, including a biomedical diagnostic laboratory. PharmaQuest Joe clinical site has a fully equipped ICU. In addition, it has the capacity of accommodating up to 48 participants at the same time. PharmaQuest Joe analytical facilities was equipped with state-of-the-art analytical equipment, including LC-MS MS 5000. PharmaQuest Joe implies a strong quality system based on project management lifecycle. In addition, it includes a laboratory information management system. PharmaQuest Joe team of highly qualified researchers are highly motivated, committed, and focused to work in compliance with the international standard of GCP and GLB, as well as local and regional regulatory requirements. Finally, PharmaQuest Joe studies are conducted with the highest professional standard at competitive prices when compared with the European and US market.
Sana Pharma is a market-driven research company established by a group of expertise in different areas of pharmaceutical industry. The core business of Sana Pharma is to develop potential pharmaceutical products and prepare their dossiers in CTD format and license them to generic pharmaceutical companies. Sana Pharma provides pharmaceutical companies and drugstores analytical services through its qualified laboratories that has been accredited according to ISO 17025 as a reference and third-party laboratories. Sana Pharma also provides pharma industry with regulatory services and consultations. Sana Pharma provides all these services to pharma industry in more than 14 countries in the Middle East, Europe, and United States, and thus add value to these companies by supporting their pipelines and sales.